Hayden Outdoors is excited to present another great listing in Georgia. It is a 97 plus or minus acre tract that offers a custom-built barndominium that encompasses a total of over 17,000 square feet and an 11-acre lake. This Harris County property sits just north of Lake Harding on Lickskillet Road, approximately 18 miles north of Columbus, Georgia. Columbus is a large town and has tons of great amenities. Auburn, Alabama is a 50-minute drive southwest, and the Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport is a 1 hour and 15-minute drive to the northeast. The floor plan is very open and offers tons of space to accommodate tons of family and friends. The kitchen boasts tons of custom upgrades, large counter space, and custom cabinets, as well as all Viking appliances. The dining area and living room extend off of the kitchen with plenty of room to gather around the huge custom rock fireplace. Roll-up doors and counter space on either side offer a great way to entertain guests inside or outside on the large patio. Opposite of the living room is the covered outdoor patio. Now this is the perfect place to entertain family and friends and watch the big game. A huge custom-built rock fireplace is the centerpiece with a large counter space to the right that comes complete with a sink, small refrigerator, and ice maker. You have plenty of space here to entertain tons of guests or to just sit in the swing and enjoy the peace and quiet this large property offers. The main bedroom sits at the far end of the living room behind sliding barn doors. It comes complete with its own fireplace, large closet, and bathroom. A large room is connected to the main bedroom, and it currently serves the owners as a workout room and is also used as an extra storage space. Behind the living room is the large shop area that is completely wide open. It is heated and cooled, and the possibilities of this space are endless and is easily accessible to the outside with the 4 powder-coated 15 by 15 roll-up doors with Genie brand smart technology garage door openers. It has oversized fans and stained wooden interior walls that provide a traditional barn look. The treated concrete floors make the area easy to clean and offer tons of options to partition off sections and create other living spaces. The custom-built staircase takes you upstairs to more living space. This section is currently used as a podcast studio and an office. Tons of space for storage as well as 2 complete bathrooms have been added. The contiguous 88 by 80 foot exterior barn offers 3 50-amp services, 1 30-amp service, exterior plug-ins, and hot and cold water access, making it fully equipped for agricultural, commercial, or personal use. As you can see, this covered area provides tons of room for extra vehicles, farm equipment, and storage of pretty much any kind. With over 17,000 square feet under one roof, this barndominium covers all the bases both inside and out, and infrastructure improvements throughout make this a turnkey living space. Sitting below the barndominium is the gorgeous 11-acre lake. With over 3,000 feet of shoreline, it offers tons of great fishing and swimming opportunities. You can enjoy the entire property due to the extensive and well-maintained gravel road system throughout. Along with the great roads, you have 3 different entrances, so there isn't one section of the property that isn't accessible. Enjoying side-by-sides, ATVs, hiking, horseback riding, big game hunting, and many other outdoor activities are all possible on this offering. The rest of the property has been select cut and is moderately open. Multiple home sites exist and would allow for great views of the lake. This listing offers a turnkey barndominium with a great lake, tons of recreational opportunities with privacy that is still close to all major cities and amenities. Schedule your showing today by contacting John Tate at 704-530-6794 or John Baymig at 970-817-0831 or go to haydenoutdoors.com.